Hello students, how are you doing? Welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am Dr. Ramesh Chandra Devrath from Indian Institute of Tourism and Travel Management, Gwalior. Today, we are going to study the module Managing Visitor Impacts under the paper Tour Guiding Essentials. We bring this course to you as a part of ePathshala initiative of the Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India, to make postgraduate education accessible to all. Discussions during the previous modules has led to a solid foundation in terms of research needs, gap areas for tour guiding research. In this module, we take up another important discussion on managing visitor impacts. We will straight away begin with how visitor impacts a destination. In this module, we will also discuss how a tour guide can manage visiting impacts on a destination, and we will also understand the role of tour guides in winning customer loyalty. As an important discussion, we will also talk about duties and responsibilities of the tour guides in creating positive impressions. This will be the last part of our discussion in this module. The quality of experience that the tourist will have in a tourist destination will shape their ideas of whether to visit or to not visit a place over again. If the visitors are going to have positive experience in the tourist destination, they will surely develop the intention of visiting the location over again. They will as well encourage their friends and connects to visit the place. If the visitor are going to have negative experiences in the tourist destination, they will surely not want to visit the location over again. They will as well advise against their friends and connects from visiting the place if they are not satisfied during their own visit. The kind of experiences that the tourist will develop in a tourist destination is dependent upon their expectations from a specific place. If the tourist expectations were not met in a specific tourist destination, they will obviously not be satisfied with their visit. If their expectations were met, then they will leave the place with a great satisfaction. Before the tourist visits with the destination, they tend to prospect the places that they would want to visit. During this process, they might have come across advertisements. They might have listened to the opinions of their friends and guides about the target place. In this process, they might have developed a specific image about the prospective place. In this process, if they have imagined something that is not true about the place in their minds, obviously they will be disappointed when they come to a place. However, if they imagine the place exactly like what it is for somewhat similar to what it might be like, then again they might not be dissatisfied. It is a 4-step process. First step is identifying visitor activities. Second step is researching visitor impacts. The third step is monitoring visitor impacts, and the fourth step is assessment of visitor impacts monitoring. The way in which the advertisements and word of mouth recommendations position the tourist destination in the minds of the reader is a major reason for the formation of expectation in the minds of the visitor. Even if the place is exactly like what the visitor had expected, how the visitor is being tour guided in the place and how the visitor takes to the experiences that the place has to offer has roles to play in influencing the attitude of whether to visit or to not visit a site over again. The coming of tour shopping online has helped with an excellent destination positioning experiences. The internet helped publish pictures and videos of the destinations, and therefore destination positioning has become very easy. In most cases, what the tourists see in the advertisement online tend to be what they are able to experience in the real time. This has made it possible to create the right set of expectations in the minds of the visitors. Now let's talk about the role of tourism companies in creating customer satisfaction. Tourism companies are increasing their market share by investing for their own improvement. Investing in one's continuous improvement has become important due to the competition between tourism businesses. For any service provider, it is very important for them to be able to retain the past customers. Customer behaviors is heterogeneous and they come with different behavior and targets. Those who are in the tourism businesses are working very hard to improve on the satisfaction level they can provide for their customers. They communicate closely with the customers to eventually be able to improve on the portfolio of increased numbers of loyal customers. The overall customer expectation has increased. Customers are looking for high standards of product design. When customer expectation is fulfilled, this leads to an increase in the number of visits made by the customer. This also increases the word of mouth referrals made by the customer. The reputation of a tourism industry can go down when there are a lot of customer complaints. The tourism industry should ensure that they are doing what it takes to reduce customer complaints. Satisfaction is a judgment related to the quality of a product or service. It is a judgment about the service features. It is a judgment about the product quality. High quality satisfaction is the end state of any consumption experience in any product or service. When it comes to the tourism industry, fulfillment of the experience expectations of the tourist is related to the kind of experiences they gain in the real-time world in tourist destination. The difference between the pre-travel expectations and the post-travel expectation determine the satisfaction factor in the clients. When the pre-travel expectations are fulfilled, feelings of gratifications are seen in customers. Satisfied customers probably would want to come over again to the same place. They might even be willing to provide with references. It is a point to be remembered that feelings of gratification will not always lead to customer loyalty. There are some customers who appear unsatisfied even if they are satisfied with the experience. They find something or the other to complain about. There is no solution dealing with unsatisfied customers who are wrongly motivated. Another challenge that we have to remember is that even if the customers are satisfied, these customers have more numbers of alternatives for other tourist providers who are competitors to one particular destination. Therefore, customer retention is a challenge regardless of whether the customer is satisfied or not. The tourism industry makers understand all those facets. It is a highly competitive market. It is important to differentiate the unique nature of a tourism product. For instance, all hill stations provide more or less similar experience to customers, and therefore differentiation can be difficult. Service quality is of utmost importance when it comes to sustaining customer satisfaction. When the tourism process is planned well by the tour guide, this will naturally increase the numbers of tourist receipts, employment, and the revenue for the local region where the tour guiding is taking place. To improve on the competitiveness of a tourist destination, investors pour in money to create better attractions. They improve on the service quality and the image of the destination. This is one of the major approaches taken by people of the tourism industry to encourage repeat visits. Attracting previous customers by providing them with cost discounts is the key to gaining new customers. Customer retention leads to improved word of mouth referral. This increases the chances for repeat visits by the tourist. Economic profits are best achieved with repeat visits and word of mouth references. Repeat customers help you attract better businesses for the future. Also, they are the cost effective when compared to creating customers from the start. Several tourist destinations depend upon repeat visits. This is true about beaches and hill station resorts. Repeat visitors are very important for the vacation market. Repeat visit is triggered by the emotional attachment of the people to a specific location. Their needs to further explore a specific destination, their willingness to show the destination to other people. Some people being content with just one destinations are the major reasons to name in order to encourage repeat visits from tourists. Students, let's have a look. How can tour guides help in winning customer loyalty? Every tourist destination will want to win customer loyalty. Customer satisfaction is the key to developing customer loyalty and revisit intentions in the minds of the tourist. Tourist destinations have activity providers, service providers, and experience providers who continually upgrade and tweak their service themes, product themes, and experiences themes to suit the requirements of their visitors. They refresh their service quality to be attractive and desirable to the interest and expectations of the tourist to the tourist destination. As explained by Pond in 1993, tour guides occupy a very special position in the system. In terms of organizations, they are an essential part of the supply side components. They can work for all of the supply side stakeholders within all of the sectors of the tourism industry. No matter who they are working for, tour guides are generally regarded as service provider for visitors. When all this is happening, the key personality who coordinates and cooperates for services, products, and activities of the tourist destination in an appealing way of the visitors to create customized customer satisfaction in the tour guide. The tour guides have a major role in creating an impact in the minds of the visitors to revisit with the tourist destination over again for the second, third, or even for the fourth time. Students, now let's talk on the role of tour guides in establishing customer satisfaction. People are traveling to tourist destinations for reasons related to leisure, business trips, health reasons, spiritual visitations, adventure, or any other reasons for relaxation and for a way out. In this scenario, the tour guides who coordinate the complete activities and agenda of the visiting tourist from start to finish with high level of service quality and integrity tends to reshape the attitude of the tourist towards the tourist destination. The quality of the tour guiding services have a major role to play in creating tourist satisfaction and revisit intentions in the minds of the visitors. When the tour guide plays it wrong, the best destination can land to a bad books of the customers. Similarly, when the tour guides plays it right, the best destination can land into the good books of the customer. Just to say, the tour guide is the anchor who creates the impressions of the revisits and referrals in the minds of the visitors. Tour guiding is one of the oldest human activity. Human beings have been roaming around the world since ages and ages ago. Traditionally, people who helped other people find their way in their travel were known by different names like bear leaders, pathfinders, proximities, and more. All of these people were the predecessors of the current day tour guides. This means tour guides were existing even before 2.5 millennia. With the coming up of mass tourism, tour guides have become an integral part of this industry. The services of the tour guides is indispensable when it comes to time-sensitive tourism. Organized tourism can get to be very difficult in the absence of the intelligent and well-organized services of the tour leaders and tour guides who welcome the tourist at the destination to accompany the visitors throughout the trip. Next is the role of the tour guide in crafting visitor experiencing. The tour guides will guide the visitors in the language of their choice, thereby making the visit more understandable. The tour guide will introduce the natural and cultural heritage of a tourist destination in the best possible way to local and foreigner tourists. The tour guide will provide the visitor with authentic information about the place. The tour guide will interpret the monuments, heritage sites, architecture, and the other destinations in a place in an interesting manner. They help the tourists understand the local culture, their limitations in the tourist destinations, the responsibilities in the tourist destinations, arranging for transportations, helping tourists choose the right place for their food and stay, planning the trip, warning about dangers in the local area, helping with preparedness trips during advanced adventure trips, advising on the right climate for travel, advising on the right thing to buy, helping tourists to identify between useful and exploitative events in the local place, and many more. The tour guides makes the unknown environment completely safe for the tourist by providing them with essential local information to continue with a safe travel experience. In short, the tour guide is the person who unfolds the experience in the place in an organized manner. They are the key people in crafting the visitor opinion about a specific tourist destination. As explained by Horner in 2016, in the first stage pre-tour, customer satisfaction is affected by customers' expectations and previous experiences. During the second stage, that is on the tour process, customers' expectations, previous experience, visitors' behavior, the perception of equity, unforeseeable events, and customer threats tend to affect the customer satisfaction. In the final stage, that's the post-tour stage, customer satisfaction is mostly shaped by customers' experience. In addition to this, these factors together with the tourism products and service characteristics are likely to result in customer satisfaction, partial satisfaction, or customer dissatisfaction with tour experience. Students, now let's talk on tour guide as the representative of the destination. Tour guide mostly have area-specific qualifications to guide visitors in a specific destination. They themselves have a clear-cut idea about the ins and outs of a tourist destination. Since they are very sure about the place they are guiding for, they will be able to provide quality service in case where the tourist guide is a native of the destination. They are in the most cases proud of being able to showcase the destination to the tourist. They do it more for the love and passion for the place. They create strong and positive impressions about the place. If there are instances where the tourist is to be warned off, they provide the warning information, thereby protecting the tourist from the danger in the place. Now, let's talk about the duties and responsibilities of the tour guides in creating positive impressions. The tour guide in reality is the person who is shouldering big responsibility in the tourism industry. They do more than communicating information about a specific place to the visitors. They present it in an interesting and dedicated manner. The tourists remain happy and satisfied with the specific tourist destination because of the service quality of the tour guide. The tour guide is the leader who is willing to take responsibility for organizing the tour. They learn about every in and out of the place they are guiding for, and they provide authentic information to the tourist. They communicate the cultural facets of the local communities to the visitors and in turn communicate the visitor culture to the local community. They act as a bridge between the visitor and the local community. They train the tourists to respect the local culture, and in turn the local treat the tourist with respect. The tour guide educates the visitors about expected tourist behavior, like not spoiling the natural environmental conditions of the place, not littering the place, not smoking, not drinking or boozing, and other essentials of well-cultured behavior, which goes a great way in helping the tourist enjoy the place without creating harsh experiences for themselves. The tour guide provides visitors with cultural interpretations, and they play the role of integral cultural brokers, thereby creating a respectable image about the place, the people and its culture in the mind of the people. The tour guide has a major role in understanding the spending habits and status of the visitors. They help the visitors identify the best possible quality services they can buy for the money they are willing to spend in terms of food, shelter, and other activities like therapies and local cuisine experience in the locality. The tour guide decides on the right time of the visit for specific destination. If the visitor is on adventure tourism, they create a tour itinerary to suit their interest. If the visitor is on a spiritual trip, they create the tour itinerary to suit their interest. They create customized tour plan to suit the interest of the tour group. They provide with rich interpretations, thereby helping the visitor to live the events of the place in their minds. This leaves the tourist with memorable themes about the place, leaving them willing to come back to the place over and over again. Satisfied visitors, in turn, land up referring their friends to the location. Therefore, tour guides have a major role to play in creating revisits and referral visits for the tourist destination. Students, now let's talk about cultural curious tourist. Tourists are out for some sunshine and rain after hard days of nights earning, living and passion. When they come to a tourist destination, most of them are curious and eager to have cultural experiences. They are willing to experience something different. They are willing to experience the local culture like the locals. They do not want to be treated like special guests. They want to eat local food and live the local life for the couple of days they have planned to be around. They are looking for authentic local experiences. Tour guides understand these interests of the tourists, and they help in arranging for authentic local experience for tourists. Tour guides arrange for local hosts who serve authentic local breakfast and dinner. If there are local festivals, the guides arrange for the tourists to be able to experience the trip like the locals too. This makes the tourist enjoy the place more. In some cases, the tourists are those who are out of a good local experience while on a business trip. Tour guides help such tourists have an excellent time without compromising on their official task, thereby leaving them with refreshing experiences with the trip. This kind of an arrangement makes more and more business visitors to be willing to take up business trips. Good quality tour guiding caters to the legal and ethical requirement of tourists, thereby leaving them with the feeling of wanting to come again to the place over again. Tour guides arrange for best quality hospitality, thereby leaving the visitors confident enough to stay for more days in the future when they might place for a trip again with more members of their family and friends. By influencing the choice of quality of service and product that tourists would take in the tourist destination, the tour guides uncovers best quality experiences for the tourist. For lengthy stays, the tour guides help the visitors find economic solutions without compromising on the quality of experience they can thus gain. The tour guide not only manages the tour, they also help manage the resources and experiences for the tourist. Social tour guides entertain and facilitates to fulfill the requirements of the tourist. Communicative tour guides educates the visitors. Environmental interpreters promote ecological and environmental tourism. In short, every type of tour guide has a contributory role in the tour guiding process. Now let's move on to the summary what we had learned. Students, till now you must have understood the importance of managing visiting impacts. With changing economic and political conditions, almost every industry has been affected in one way or the other. Due to competition between businesses of every kind, it becomes important for businesses to maintain a close relationship with their clients to eventually provide improved customer services to stay in the businesses for a long time. For any kind of service, satisfying the client and retaining the customers is the most important objective, and customer service is a complex phenomenon and it takes a lot of skills and resourcefulness to achieve consistent customer satisfaction. Almost every business enterprise is working hard to sustain its value, to retain customers and customer satisfaction. So, the tourist industry has become a buyer's market. It is no more a seller's market. This has led to a customers asking for cheaper holiday without compromising on the high quality and standards in the tourism. So, if repeat and referral businesses of the visitors is to be earned, tour providers will have to provide competitive yet high quality holiday experiences for reasonable cost. The satisfaction is a judgment made on the product or services offered to a client. The tour guides educates the visitors about how to judge the tour services in the right light. They train the visitors about what they can reasonably expect and what they cannot expect from a specific product or services. They refine the expectations of the visitors in a way to match it with the realistic expectations. When the expectations are realistic, then fulfilling it becomes easy for the service providers. Tour guides have a role in setting up a pre-travel expectations of tourists. When the right set of expectations are set, the expectations are duly satisfied and the customers remain loyal. Despite best efforts, unsatisfied customers are here to stay. They are the exceptional few with bizarre perceptions which cannot be changed, no matter how good the services are. Some customers are not satisfied. We need to stop worrying about such clients. The rest is about following integrated standards to create visitors with revisits and referral interest. By all means, tour guides are influential to create revisits and referral interest. Thanks and have happy learning.